Hari Om children, this is exercise number 3.1, sum number 5. If cos to the power 4 alpha divided by cos squared beta plus sin to the power 4 alpha divided by sin squared beta equal to 1, we have to prove this equation. So we'll take what is given in the sum. There are two subdivisions to be proved. First we are taking the first subdivision. So given is cos power 4 alpha divided by cos squared beta plus sin power 4 alpha divided by sin squared beta equal to 1. Take LCM here. LCM will be cos squared beta into sin squared beta. Sin squared beta gets multiplied here, cross multiply. So cos power 4 alpha into sin squared beta plus sin power 4 alpha into cos squared beta equal to 1. Denominator goes to the right hand side. Cos to the power 4 alpha sin squared alpha, this is sin squared beta plus sin to the power 4 alpha cos squared beta is equal to 1 into something, you will get this answer, cos squared beta into sin squared beta. Wherever there is cos, I am converting into sin. How will convert? We'll use the identity sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. So wherever there is cos squared theta, you can replace it by sin squared theta. But here it is cos to the power 4 alpha. So I will convert into cos squared alpha the whole square. So cos squared alpha means 1 minus sin squared alpha the whole square into sin squared beta plus sin to the power 4 alpha into 1 minus sin squared beta equal to 1 minus sin squared, instead of cos squared beta, 1 minus sin squared beta into sin squared beta. Now multiply. Here I can use a minus b the whole squared formula. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So it is 1 squared minus 2 sin squared alpha plus sin squared alpha the whole square, so it becomes sin to the power 4 alpha into sin squared beta plus multiply this sin to the power 4 alpha into the bracket, so I'll get sin to the power 4 alpha minus sin to the power 4 alpha into sin squared beta equal to, now sin squared beta gets multiplied inside the bracket, I'll get sin squared beta minus sin to the power 4 beta. Now this also should be multiplied. I'll get sin squared beta minus 2 sin squared alpha sin squared beta plus this is alpha, this is beta, so the powers cannot be added, okay, both are separate terms. So sin power 4 alpha into sin squared beta, remaining everything will be the same, sin to the power 4 alpha minus sin power 4 alpha sin squared beta equal to sin squared beta minus sin to the power 4 beta. Now what all will cancel? So this part, up to this part it is LHS and this is opponent part, okay. So sin power 4 alpha sin squared beta, this is in positive and negative will get cancelled. So this is in LHS, this is in RHS, same sign, so it will get cancelled. When it comes to the left hand side, it becomes minus, positive negative, automatically it will get cancelled. I am cancelling it directly, okay children. Now what will be the remaining? Positive first, sin to the power 4 alpha minus 2 sin squared alpha sin squared beta, remaining everything got cancelled, minus sin to the power 4 beta will be taken to the left hand side. So it is plus sine to the power 4 beta, okay, is equal to 0. But this must be proved. Sine power 4 alpha, sine power 4 beta equal to 2 sine squared alpha, sine squared beta. So I'll keep this here. According to the sum itself, sine to the power 4 alpha plus sine to the power 4 beta is equal to 2 sine squared alpha sine squared beta. So this is taken as 1, hence proved. This we will take it as 1, this we will take it as 2. So hence proved. From 1 again we are moving on to subdivision 2. From 1, sine to the power, subdivision 2 is, first we will write the question. Subdivision 2 is cos to the power 4 alpha divided by cos squared alpha plus sine to the power 4 alpha divided by sine squared alpha. There is a slight change here, children. Cos to the power 4 beta, it is cos squared alpha, sine to the power 4 beta, sine squared alpha is equal to 1, we have to prove. So we are taking equation number 1, what we have already proved. Sine to the power 4 alpha minus 2 sine squared alpha sine squared beta plus sine power 4 beta equal to 0. It is an expansion of a minus b the whole squared formula. So when you shortcut it, you will get, when you write the short form of this, you will get sine squared alpha plus cos squared beta, sorry, sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta, sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta the whole squared is equal to 0. Here it is minus, hence you will get minus here also, a minus b the whole squared formula. Okay children, when square root goes to the other side, it will become 0. Square, when it goes to the other side, you will get square root, and hence it will become 0. So what will be the answer? Sine squared alpha minus sine squared beta is equal to 0. Take this to the other side, you will get sine squared alpha is equal to sine squared beta. In the sum, wherever there is beta, we can change it into alpha, right? Here sine squared alpha may be written as 1 minus cos squared alpha, and here also 1 minus cos squared beta. Okay children, so 1 and 1 will get cancelled. If 1 and 1 gets cancelled, what will be the remaining? Cos squared alpha is equal to minus cos squared beta. Again minus and minus will get cancelled. So cos squared alpha is equal to cos squared beta. Here your sum is sum which is to be proved. Cos to the power 4 beta divided by cos squared alpha plus sine to the power 4 beta divided by sine to the sine squared alpha is equal to 1. So wherever I can cos squared alpha is there, I can replace it by cos squared beta. So change it into square the whole square. I will get cos squared alpha, instead of cos squared beta, I can change it as cos squared alpha the whole square, right? Divided by cos squared alpha. Here also, instead of sine to the power 4 beta, from here sine squared alpha is equal to sine squared beta. So I can change it into sine squared beta the whole squared, sine squared alpha the whole squared divided by sine squared alpha equal to 1. So sine squared alpha and sine squared alpha will get cancelled. So what will be the remaining? Cos squared alpha plus sine squared alpha equal to 1. That is cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equal to 1. This is your identity. Hence 1 equal to 1. LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Clear children? So this is a very long sum. So from this we have completed exercise number 3.1, sum number 5. Hari Om.